Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I wanted to bring this to you earlier, but I was under the weather and the covers. I want to go over real quick what challenges and collabs are coming up that you might participate in. And these are fun, and it's a really good way to get to know the doll community. There are such good people in our doll community and worth getting to know personally. I'm going to go through these quickly. Please put me on pause, grab a piece of paper and a pencil because I know there are things that you will want to join in. I'm going to start with tomorrow is Tiny Witches. That is a witch 8 inches and smaller. Darren and I at Dolls Rescue are offering this challenge. Anybody can enter. You can take a small doll, a tiny doll, 8 inches and under, and dress them like a witch, or show us a little witch like those Madame Alexandra, Wizard of Oz witches. Those are always cute, and everybody loves to see them. This coming Saturday, the 21st of October, is the Elf Collab. Each month, a group of us get together. That's Penny from Playful Reborns, Jay from J Dolls UK, Dory's Dollies, and Tina at Tina's Reborns and More. Each month we give you a theme on the 7th, and then on the 21st you bring out your elf dolls. Any elf doll, Christmas elf, anything with elf ears. We're not the elf police. Nobody cares if you're right on target. Here's what we care about. You have a good time and you participate. That's all we care about. Anyway, this month is, with the elves, is pumpkins or jack-o'-lanterns. And when I tell you the themes, you can interpret those any way you want. The Boy Doll Collab is coming up very quickly. I do that one with Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Gosha's, I always say her name backwards, Dolls, Trolls, Dolls, and More. And we have recently added Irene from Irene's Dolly Space. The Boy Doll theme this month is Shadow High or Rainbow High, the boy dolls. And show them in a spooky theme or a Halloween theme, something like that. On the 30th of this month, I am hosting, Dolls Rescue is hosting a Wednesday Addams Day. I've been asked by several people if I would show my Wednesday Addams doll collection. I have several. I hope I remember to gather them all up. You know, if you have dolls like I have dolls, after a collab you're putting things away and it's like, oh, I forgot her. Oh, doggone it, I forgot I had whatever accessory. Then in November, it gets really busy. There is a lot, and there are also, I wanted to tell you, there are also other people doing all kinds of things, like Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, and Little Crafty Kitty, Erica at Little Crafty Kitty are doing, what is it called, Dolloween. Go to their channels and take a look at what they are offering as a challenge. The Reborn community has so many, they call them hashtags for the day. And just to mention one, Penny at Playful Reborn offers Wild Wednesday is hers. Another, a couple more challenges are Tracy at Eclectic Wandering has, every week she has Wednesday Show and Tell. I think it's called Show and Tell Wednesday. I always say it wrong. Go to her channel, get more details on that. Dory's Dollies has a really fun one. It's a Flashback Friday. And you can go to their channels and get the whole, all the information. Speaking of Dory, she and I are teaming up, Dory's Dollies and I, and we are going to start doing on the 3rd of each month we're going to call it a Maya Rain Day, but it's really a Rainbow High, Shadow High doll show off. And in November we're asking you to show either an Amaya Rain, we're going to say and or, Amaya Rain and or a doll with the same color hair as something from her rainbow. The theme will be Harvest or Thanksgiving, and I'll bet you see some redheads, orange hairs. The Blythe Convention is the 5th of November. Hope to see you there. On the 7th, we will give you the elf theme for November. Dolls Gone Goth. I do that every month with J Dolls UK. It is so much fun. We are not the goth police. We just want you to join in on the fun. Show any doll you want. And each month on the 9th, we let you know what the theme is, and on the 16th is when we show all of our videos. I would like to add two things. One, if you do the challenges and the collabs, try to be on time with those. And that's to your benefit, not ours. If you have your video up when everybody else's goes, you're more likely to get more views, because a lot of people, including myself, go to the, all of the videos that are listed. Also, the other big thing is, if you're in a collab, please list all the people in the collab and say their name in the video. They're saying yours, they're listing you. Do the same for them. It's only polite. Coming up, looking. You can contact Holly from Holly's, I love this name, but you can't say it fast, Holly's Dolly Hobby. And she's doing a Maury doll collab on the 11th of November. Now, I'm not going to tell you what Maury doll is, because fashion is not my thing. You may have guessed that by looking at me. But if you watch Holly's channel, you'll see. We will announce the boy challenge on the 15th. That's always the 25th. Dolls Gone Goth is always the 16th. And the elves are always the 21st. I have something written here. I'm not sure what it is. I'm going to flip the calendar. December, we have Amaya Rain, the elves, Dolls Gone Goth. I'm going to the circus. I'm going to Ringling. It's on my calendar. Tina is doing a Grinch Christmas. Tina at Tina's Reborns. Watch her channel to get more information. I am hosting a holiday Barbie challenge, where you take any Barbie doll or Integrity doll or Poppy or whatever doll you would like, a fashion doll, and dress it to look, do it in the way of the holiday Barbies put out by Mattel, or do better than they do. And it can be any Barbie, or if you buy the holiday Barbies, just show one. Let's see, what else is coming up? Dory at Dory's Dollies and Dory, I'm sorry I couldn't find the date. I'm not sure we wrote it down. We are going to start doing a monthly Barbie challenge, something where we all bring out our Barbie dolls and show them out. But right this minute, I do not have the date on that, but I want to mention it so you are prepared. That's all I have, I think, right now. Don't forget, tomorrow, Tiny Witches, 10 a.m., and that can be any doll you want. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I hope to see you in the challenges and collabs. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.